I'm Justin Rogers, and I'm a systems design specialist here at Ayers Basement Systems. I'd just like to tell you a little bit about myself, as well as what to expect when I come to your home for your inspection. Before coming to Ayers, I was a commercial diver, and I specialized in underwater construction. A lot of that job was keeping water out of places that it didn't belong, so I transferred a lot of that knowledge to what I do now and helping my customers. So I live in a small town called Farwell, Michigan, and we live on a small lake, which is just like most of the customers that I see on a day-to-day basis. I do a lot of fishing, boating, kayaking, and really just spending time with my family. They're really everything that I do everything for in the first place. Hanging out with my customers and then going home to my own family, it's just really those same types of feelings that I really like to be a part of. Now, you may have worked with other contractors before, and I can tell you that Ayers isn't like any other contractor out there. I've worked for other contractors before, and there was a reason why I chose to be a part of this team, because they have the same exact morals and values that I do, and I feel that that's just something that way too many contractors take for granted. It's my goal to give you a remarkable experience, and that really starts with your inspection. When you set up an appointment with the appointment center, they give you a very firm date and time on when exactly I'm going to be there. I'm going to call you 2 days ahead to let you know that I still plan on showing up, as well as a on the way call to let you know that I am coming, and that way you know I'm going to be right on time. When I arrive, I'm going to listen to you and figure out exactly what your concerns are with your home. After I do a complete inspection and really diagnose what the causes for those issues are, we're going to find that solution that's going to make those problems go away. Before I leave, we're going to have a detailed drawing as well as an estimate for the repairs that need to be done. I really like helping customers because the customer is just another person like I am. And if I was in need of help, like all of my customers are, I would really want somebody like me to come in and treat them with the respect that they deserve. Ayers is one of those companies that has a sense of purpose and the willingness to do the right thing for the customer. Dealing with problems in your home can be really frustrating and scary, but now that you've called us, you don't have to do it alone. If you have any questions before the appointment, call the office and I'll be seeing you soon.